Today we create a seamless baby rattle from a single piece of wood. We start this project with a piece of firewood that has relatively straight grain. The first step is to square up the block on the table saw to get it approximately to the size of the rattle. We also cut it to the appropriate length. We mark the center, and the lower half of the rattle, that later becomes the handle, is turned to a cylinder on the lathe. Now the magic happens. We don't want to have a visible saw line in the middle of the block. So we will just use a handsaw to mark a line across the middle of the wood and then split it with the biggest chisel available. We then mark the area we would like to hollow out. By removing 2 parts of a 4-jar chuck, we can secure the pieces and mount them on the lathe. With a mix of carbide and traditional wood turning tools, we are now hollowing out the marked area. By constantly checking the depth, we make sure that the depth matches the radius of the circle. To create a rattle sound, we throw a bunch of nuts and washers in that opening and glue the wood back together. To be safe, we let the glue cure overnight. When the glue is dried, the glue line is more or less invisible. We are then heading back to the lathe and are turning the outer shape of the rattle. With the roughing gouge, we turn a cylinder shape that we then refine with the gouge to create the handle of the rattle. After the shape is ready, we cut 3 small bends in the handle and use a wire to darken them. Finishing starts with sanding from 80 to 320 grit. We use sanding sealer on the piece, and the final finish is a coat of beeswax, tung oil and linseed oil. After most of the rattle is finished, we secure the handle in a chuck to cut the rattle free and sand the top smooth. The remaining part of the handle is removed and the handle bottom is sanded and finished. The rattle works, and most people won't guess how the rattle sound got inside. If you like this video, also check out some of my other videos. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with new videos and follow us on Instagram for a look at future projects.